Welcome to today's meditation. Take a moment to just sit, relax, just allow yourself to be comfortable. And then, when you are ready, begin to take a couple of deep cleansing breaths. Allow your eyes to close if you wish. This is your time to connect and commune with Spirit, with God. And another deep breath. Simply relax in this knowing, absolute knowing that the presence of God is right here, right now, filling this space and this time. You may want to follow my words or allow yourself to drift into your own. This is your time to use and enjoy as you like. My faith causes the unseen to become visible. That is our focus today. My faith causes the unseen to become visible. The one Spirit and presence of Spirit, which is God, manifests itself in and through me and all of life. I accept with certainty that the Spirit within me goes before me and prepares my way. There is nothing, no thing in me that blocks my good. My word dissolves any negative idea or thought that would even cast even just a small shadow of unbelief in my direction. My faith causes the unseen to become visible. Yes, my faith always causes the unseen to become visible. For God is present everywhere simultaneously. Just like the air I breathe, it presses against me. There is peace at the center of my being, a peace felt throughout the day and in the evening's rest. That center of my being is the heart. And as I feel that peace in my heart, it is there at all times. I have to but be quiet and recognize it. As I consciously become aware that I live in pure spirit, a new power is born in me. This power takes hold in me. With each breath I take, I am renewed by divine life, led by divine intelligence, and guided by divine love. I focus my inward vision on the harmony of God expressing through me. As I contemplate this perfection, I will see it manifest in all that I do. Realizing the Spirit within me is God, I open my thoughts to its gifts. I open my consciousness to the outpouring of understanding of wisdom and right action in all my activities. I know that silently I am drawing my experiences to me. Today and every day, more and more good, harmony, and wholeness flows to and through me. All that I do, say, and think flows into right and productive action. My faith causes that which is unseen to become visible. Give thanks now for what you desire even before you see it or feel it in your hand. May your day be filled with joy and grace. And so it is.